Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It is Saturday. Yeah. So I came outside just to show you outside looking. I just posted the vlog. It's a bit chilly but not so bad. But yeah, I just want to start off the vlog. So if you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're old, please like the video and share the video. Yes, like it and share it. And stay tuned for another awesome vlog. Alright guys, so I just in here, if you look, this is where I live, right? And I'm gonna show you what I like about here. So say for instance I want to do some get together. Like Friday I feel like I'm gonna do some jerk chicken and sell it. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do that on the side. So I'm gonna show you. Like you have like a little get together down there, so let me show you. You can walk this so, and you have a little grill on this so you can do s'mores and them something. They have a little water falls on this so, and it go all the way down. Let me show you. See? Go all the way down. Really nice fresh water. Go all the way. You have there. So, and then it's a come from up there, so alright, so show up there so anyway. So this is like a little area where we can do get together. We have two, what do you call it, two jerk pan, gas jerk pan, and then the gas is right there. But we even have a fireplace. Alright, this it seems full or empty, or the one are full, so you can use this. And you have 6 tables with 4 chairs each. You understand? You have fan. I love this. You have camera. Everywhere you have camera. So this is how it looks. That's how it look. Yeah. And then walking here to the garden. Alright, you have a little walkway right there, so if you want to exercise. And then you have this private house over there, so but all of you, so you have a sitting area where you can sit down and watch the scenery. You know, just like Virginia, where you could have walk and so forth. Yeah, you have somebody I got with it. And then these are the houses. Our little sitting area there, so you can cook and sit down there too. So yeah, going to the kitchen now. Happy Sunday! Yes, good morning guys. So today I am off and I'm going to cook, but I'm just going to call my mom first because it's Mother's Day here. She's not celebrating it because she's in England, but I'm just going to call her because I've been talking to her for like over a week and we need to talk to her. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm also going to bring my tablet so that I can watch like church and then go on live while I'm doing that and cooking so I can talk to you guys. Yeah, so I practically packed my bag. Guys, the struggle is real. So pack my bag that I'm bringing. Yeah, so today I'm cooking oxtail and chicken with rice and peas and, you know, potato salad and all those stuff. Yes, I could have do it in the room, but you know, you want maximum burner, not just 2 burner. So I just want to get everything done. So I want to do, and then I don't have a oven. So I'm going to bake the chicken, I'm going to cook the oxtail, I'm going to cook the rice, and I'm going to cook the potato salad all at once so that I can get everything out the way. So that is why I'm going in the kitchen, and the kitchen clean. I don't think nobody's in there now because people are working. It is Mother's Day, so it's going to be busy at work. Honestly, I am not vexed that they didn't give me, because yes, I know you're going to make only money for Mother's Day, but I think for those who really want it or need it, got scheduled today. I'm a camera really stressed. So yeah, I'm off today and I'm going to cook dinner. Spread my bed. Yeah, and going up there now.
See the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put in the words how I feel. Where have you been? Nobody like you. Nobody gonna love me. Nobody like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I try it, when I look in my eyes, you know I'm lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again.
Alright, so I just have to go back because I forgot pimento. And I'm kind of glad to go back because I wanted a pot because I don't want to use their pot and then after I bring it back. So I'll go for your pot and the pimento. So now we can get into cooking.
I knew it was real, cause before you I never did care. Don't know what I would do if I had to go on without you. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love me. Nobody like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I try it, when I look in my eyes, you know I'm lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again.
Mothers, don't give up on your children. I'm sensing that some mothers have given up because the pain is.
Happy Mother's Day, guys.
And you're praying and you're seeking God and nothing seems to be changing. But pray a little more.
Yeah.
You may be one prayer away. One prayer away.
One prayer away.
This was an unfair death. So can you imagine the grief of your death? If they did something to deserve it, it would not be even so hot. But they died unjustly because of their grandfather's sins. And many times, as I said before, we are going through some things, some situation which hurts. But if we look at the family line and we go way back, we realize that it's generational sins and ancestral sins that has put us in the position that we are in. And that's why we have to break generational curses. We have to break foundational curses. We have to break ancestral curses from off our lives. We may not know what they are, but you attack everything. Just in case. Don't miss anything. When we pray. And we don't miss anything because sometimes we don't know what is happening in the background. We don't know what is happening in the spiritual realm. But mothers, pray, have the stamina, the tenacity, the grit to stand up for your children. Stand up for your children. Don't give up on them. Because sometimes we give up on them and further down the road they come out to be as pure gold.
Amen.
We give up on them and God just turned them around. We give up on them and there's a shift in their lives. So mothers, parents, please go for the men too. Don't give up on your children. You may have lost a child. Your child may have been wayward. Your child may be on the wrong path. And sometimes when they're on the wrong path and you try to steer them, they think you're miserable and you want to run their lives. But find a little corner and just pray. Be consistent and fervent in prayer.
That you were made for me. Only for me. You were made for me. Oh yeah, you were made for me. Made for me. Made for me. Made for me. Just for me. Twin. Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love me quite like you. Can't even deny it every time I try it. One look in my eyes, you know I'm lying, lying. Body to body, skin to skin. Never gonna love like this again.
Alright, so we have someone else that comes to the kitchen. So, you know how that go. But you see the camera and you see the fine, but you know me seeing it. But me just still do what me can do, you understand? Me need to be bold. I'm gonna pray boldness upon me, okay? Because me need to be bold. So basically now I'm just waiting for things to be done. Right now the mashed potato is done. The salad. That's done. These are cooking. The oven. So basically just sitting and waiting now until it's finished. And then I'm done. So I'll come to you with the final result. And yeah. Can't wait to eat. Hungry and it tastes good. I know it's gonna taste good. Even gravy me, not really gravy, like a sauce I'm gonna make to put over the chicken. So it can be more and more instant, like, can't wait.
Just for me, that you were made for me. Only for me, you were made for me. Oh yeah, you were made for me.
Yeah, that's nice, but obviously there's only one objective, and that's try to win the league. Like I said, we have done our job today. Yeah, we'll be up to the last game, and that's all we were aiming for. And we'll be a nice week now, and then a great game next week. And
so I did vegetable, I just want to stir because I never have the vegetable. Like the potato salad, we have the oxtail finished, and the chicken is really finished. So I just glaze it, and then put a fire people over it, leave it in the oven because we're done. Yeah, so that's that. I don't want to put on the rice until about 2 o'clock because I think that's the time one of them will come home. Yeah. So I'm kind of excited, you know. Like a long time, you know, cook like this, you know. Yeah, so kind of excited. The guy that just come and blend juice and give me some. Cucumber and apple. Wash up belly, you understand? And I asked them if he wants some dinner, and them say yes. So I gave him some dinner. So that's about that. Yeah, so we have more vegetable for next time. So I'm gonna put that in the fridge. I was trying to get avocado, but them tough. And you know me love my avocado. So I'm just gonna do the vegetable. So this is a proper, you know, when I have juice. When I make the juice, when I make juice, nah, when I make the juice, everybody have their own drinks. We drink, then drink, yeah. I may have cranberry, so now I make no juice. That is that, yeah. But differently from the juice, everything is here for a Sunday dinner. You understand? Proper Sunday dinner the baguette. And I started cooking, I think I started cooking about 10:30. Yeah, 10:30 thereabout. And now I'm finished. I just need to put the rice, as I said, on the stove. So I go to that. This scene remind me of Virginia. Something in the water. One tadpole. And that's what them big when them oh fish in the water. Fish in the water. Fish is in the water. This reminds me of when I was in Virginia. A little waterfall, a little greenery. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, me almost done cook. And guys, snake the ear, you know? Snake the ear. I put up one picture like so. So me have to be careful how me I walk and something because I'm afraid that snake can bear. But yeah, me I go over back go check on the rice because me leave it on the stove. But look at the background. Come like Virginia down. Virginia. Like it. Everybody about the cold, but it's not cold. Then I know say a Vermont me did this. So we know I keep on saying Vermont. Well, Vermont. Vermont. We did there. So we used to be cold. We used to be cold. Everybody are passing and saying, why kitchen smell good? Kitchen smell good. Yeah, but hush, can't get none. Can't get none. Yeah, let me show you what's going on in the pots. So, rice and peas. We have oxtail. Then we have big chicken. Baked chicken. Nice. Keep going. And then we have in the fridge, we have that salad, potatoes, mixed veg, I mean, not veg, but veg. And then we have potato salad. Just honestly can't wait to eat. I want everybody else to just come and eat because we don't eat alone. We cannot eat alone. You have to eat with people, you understand? So yeah, so this is my like little Sunday vlog. I think I want to probably shower and put on something decent, you understand? And yeah. But everybody at work today, so we don't really have much to do. So I'm gonna just take off this, wash the few little clothes that I have left, and then put on something decent. This is fine, but you know, just put on something decent. So yeah, I'll catch you in a minute, and thank you for, you know, cooking with me, cooking with V-La-Nessa in my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen, in my kitchen. Then if you can come down, so maybe this morning now, but I just feel like I just need to shower again and just feel nice, look nice. I think they're gonna come here around 3 o'clock, so we have about 1 hour. Just yeah, so we can share the food. I finished cook earlier and I brought down everything here, and I have it on here warming, keeping warm, you understand? Whenever my roommate come, then you know I can transfer it, just heat it up a little bit more because I want the rice to keep hot. And this can stay, and maybe I should put this on this. That's what I want to do, put this on this and keep that on the stove so it keep warm, because this can easily heat up. Alright, and I literally sweep the floor, and I clean the bathroom. So yeah, clean, everything clean, smelling nice and fresh. So I'm just gonna sit down and wait until my roommate come. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go and edit or watch something or something, because I literally was waiting for them to come like 3 so that we can eat together. But then she not come off until 5. So now I have to go wait until 5. Alright? Because it's just not gonna nice if me want to eat the food, you understand? So let's wait until then. She soon come now still because at 5 o'clock now. So probably in the next 15 minutes or 30 minutes she'll come and then we can do that. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I did today. I think that I need probably tomorrow we can do that. Oh, tomorrow we're going to DMV. So I'm going to renew my license. As it relates to the license, every time my contract ends, it ends, and mine ends like in January, and then I didn't renew it when I went to Vermont. I don't know why we keep on saying Vermont. It just sounds better. Say somebody like when I said me to the one why I keep on saying Vermont. So when I was in Virginia, every time I used to say Vermont, people used to say Vermont. So now it just stuck in me and I say Vermont. And I know that I'm here, people are saying Vermont. So even when we say Vermont, they must say, huh? So say different states have different ways of saying stuff and different slang and different, accent. So that is that. So if you hear me say Vermont are the same thing. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So now tomorrow, me and my roommate, we're going to renew the license tomorrow. Then we're going to go to Walmart tomorrow because I need to buy a sheet. Even though I wash this and I feel like me just need to buy one sheet, like one blanket kind of thing. And if you buy one, and probably a few little stuff. I think, we need to buy chicken. Yeah. But that's just about it. And then I have work in the evening. And the next day I think I have work from 10 to 9 to in the evening. In the night, 11 o'clock. And then I have mostly 4 p.m. shift still. So I kind of like that. And then I'm off Thursday and Friday. Or Friday, Saturday. I think on Thursday and Friday. Yes, I'm working Sundays and Thursday. But we like the flexible day after day back to back. I'm going to continuously renew them. And listen, as much as more if I make money, it's like, you just want to save. As I have like practically up until December. So we're in April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So that's 8 months, right? And every paycheck, I gotta try to save more, but every paycheck I'm gonna try to save $1,000, right? I mean, I have no one to make something to buy, right? I'm supposed to save $8,000, right? The lease. I know that I'm gonna save more because I don't have one magazine fee. Do. And then the good thing is that they're going to jar the rent. What I will pay, so I'm not even have to think about me paying the rent. Like when I was in Vermont. When I was in Vermont, we was to get the pay and then we'd have to pay rent at the end of the month. But yeah, and I know I'm gonna get more money than what I used to get in Vermont. So every time a paycheck come, I transfer $1,000. I don't listen, I'm serious. Transfer $1,000, and say for instance, I get $1,800 to pay. I transfer $1,500, and I depend upon the $300. So I do it. So we are go hard in saving. I not go stress out myself by working. If I not get a shift, But I go hard, do my best. And yeah. So that is that. I'm just sure say. I know I'm going to get more than $1,000 for pay for sure. For 2 weeks. Oh, shoot. And I say, working now? If I can say a fortnight, I get pay. What are they? Yeah, man, we do it right. Because I 8 months we have, right? We do it right. So that means we can save more than that, man. Alright, let me do it again. in April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So that means say every month, me not say 8,000, 1,000 dollar. So that's the minimum every month. But me I get paid every 2 week. Every 2 week, me can save $1,000. So me want to save at least the minimum $1,500 minimum. So yeah, the minimum $15,000 want to save for the next 8 months. Cause I have so much stuff that I want to do at my house. Yeah, we already start to do the planning, and then I get the estimate and so forth. Me already get a slight estimate, but me I look upon around $1 million Jamaican dollar, which is like probably more than that, probably $1.5 million. So that is about 9,000 US. And yeah, so that is that. Anyway, it was good. Listen, this is me. This is what I may have to do throughout the week, because you see the work we do. The work we do is like a 5-star, 10-star matter of fact. So it's not like say we're not allowed to be on our phone, so we can have my phone like we just check brief messages and so forth. So you're not gonna see all the work related stuff, but we are a guy come in the kitchen today and he want to go like to rivers and them something there. So when the sun get hot, you know, we like go places. My roommate, she love go places too. So even that me have to consider and we're spending. So me gonna make sure it's safe enough when time I go somewhere, we have money. You understand? Because listen, we're enjoying ourselves and we're saving. Okay. So stay tuned for all of that that's going on. Gonna go to the DMV and probably just walk through the process of that DMV of renewing the license. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. So that is tomorrow. Or else I feel like I need to buy a small vlogging camera. But me not buy it. Me not buying it. I just saying what I feel like I want to do, but I'm not going to do it. I want a drone. I'm not going to buy it because guess what? We're saving. All right, we're saving. Yeah, we're saving, and then next year phone will come out, that will come out. But I'm not gonna do that until probably summer. Normally, me would I renew my phone. You will renew. What call it? Normally, I would trade in my phone and get a new one, but we're not going to do that until like the summer part. We're not going to do it January, and the tablet is going to come out, so I don't know if we're going to do that before. But my thing that I was thinking that maybe I should trade in the tablet for a laptop, for a Samsung laptop. But I really like the tablet, but it's just not. It's not sleek and it's nice and everything, but it's just powerful like a laptop would be. And so this can have SIM card. It have SIM card tray. I'm gonna use it with SIM now. I'm gonna use it with SIM. Is it SIM card or memory card? Probably a memory card. Maybe a memory card. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can find a movie with my roommate and then eat later. So, peace and love and cocoa bread. So my roommate is finally here. This is her dinner. She don't eat lettuce or oxtail, so that not lettuce, tomato and oxtail. So that is hers. Alright, and this is mine. Look at that. Look at that.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch, bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See they keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Floating in the deep, you had my heart inside, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us, they keep me thinking.
So I just got back from the DMV, total fail. So this DMV in North Carolina, Franklin to be exact, want insurance, me don't want a car, and yeah, they don't want too much, just to renew, not even renew, just to change the license from Virginia to another, to this state. So I guess that's what North Carolina wants. So I should have just did it in Georgia, but because my roommate was going to Franklin, I was like, you know what, let me just do it there. It would be easier. So I thought, but I'm gonna see if I can do it in Georgia, maybe next week or so. So yeah, let's see. My roommate says she's not going to do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna reach out back to the guy. The guy did his, and he's going to get his soon. If I did just stick to what I was gonna do, then I would have gotten it already. So I'm just gonna do that and get it another time. So yeah, anyway, work soon, so I'm gonna get dressed.
Floating in the deep, you had my heart inside, and you played it to the beat. You could have had it all. Floating in the deep, you had my heart inside, but you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
I just got off the road. I went to Bryson to buy some stuff to cook today. The plan today was to jerk chicken, but everybody is working, and it's just not going to be nice. Plus, I don't know the rule entirely, so I just saw the housing manager and I just talked with her, and she said that the quiet time is 10:30, but if we're not playing music, we can still chill and play games and so forth. And she's saying that based on where it is, like the little place that I show you, is kind of far, so no one will really hear anything. So I can use it and it will be fine. If anything happens, I will just get a warning. But as I said, no one is going to be here, and it's kind of raining. So I don't want to do jerk chicken today. I want to do it when most people are off. So next Friday, most people are off. So next Friday, I'll jerk it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bag up the chicken maybe tomorrow, right? So make it go and marinate for now. Bag up the chicken, put it in the freezer, and then about Wednesday I take it out, let it thaw out in the fridge, and then I can put it on the jerk pan. Plus I don't have everything. I don't have any red stripe, which I don't really need because I can use Corona or some other form of beer. I don't have any cornmeal for the festival that I want to make. So there's stuff that I don't really have, and I just got the Louis report at the Domino. So I'm just gonna do that unboxing in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. So that is why I actually changed from doing the whole do you like my nails? I did it yesterday. Look at that. Yes, I did it yesterday when I went to DMV. So I went to DMV. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, that's the reason why I changed everything from the whole jerk thing to just doing Alfredo pasta tonight. And I'm cooking for me, 2, 3, so 4 person. I feel like, so I do enjoy cooking, and based on my schedule this week, I can probably just cook and then people just give me the money. Yeah, you understand? So I feel like my girl just save me can go and us. Yeah. because you have to hustle, you know. So that's how I'm going to do. Them they love the Sunday dinner, so I guess that's the approval that we can cook. Yeah, so that is that. It is dark outside, so everyone just went to work. 4:30, so they're not going to come back until around 10:30. So I'm gonna start cook probably around 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna start season from 7, but the meat are thaw out. I'm gonna do chicken and shrimp Alfredo pasta. Anyhow, let me talk about yesterday. So yesterday I went to Georgia DMV. As you saw in the previous clips, I went to North Carolina. That was a fail. So I went to Georgia. Georgia never require you to have any insurance, so we got through. The thing that I like about Georgia as opposed to North Carolina, the DMV is bigger. It's more structured because when I went there, we had the computer that we had to, enter our informations and all those stuff, and we had to take a ticket and then sit down and wait until our number is called. When we went there, we didn't have any print out. We needed one more print of proof which we had on our phone because when I was in Virginia, I could just email them and then they would print it. But they at Georgia, they don't really provide that service, but the lady did give us apply and we emailed it and they print it and we got through. So I have my paper here and it will be coming in the mail soon. So yeah, your girl legal now for drive again. Even though I'm legal because I still have my Jamaican license. But I needed that license because I want to start do more business as it relates to TikTok and I need an ID. So that is why I went ahead and pushed through it because it's not like say I'm going to buy a car now. I'm going to buy a car probably next year, and yeah. And then even after that, we went early. We went early. Alright, we got through quick, and then we went and did our nails. So my roommate did hers, and I did mine. And this is the the look, and this was the inspiration. So let me know if the lady got it right. You see me now, I have a eye for details. It looks good, but she was missing some stuff. Like if you look on the details and the details to that, yeah, she only got this right and one of this right. But yeah, but it's fine. I like it. I love it. It's very classy and neat. I like it. Anyway, that's the end of the video, end of this week. Thank you for stopping by. I know this video is just mostly of me cooking and just driving, not me driving but going somewhere. Guys, did you see the road there? Oh god, man, I felt sick. The road just stay like this. You know why? Because we're coming off the mountain and that's how they have to cut the road. Some road thing, you understand? You have to cut the road. So I felt so sick. Like me I always have car sick when the journey is long or the gas, like me smelling the whole car thing. So the fact that me I go around so my belly just had to go so and so and so and so and so. Yeah, I felt sick. But me never throw up. But nevertheless I got through. So yeah, I now have a driver's license for Georgia. I don't receive the physical card yet, but it's going to be mailed out soon. So thank you for following me on this journey. And please like, share, yeah, share. Like me soon I share it, honestly, me soon. Like me want to know who I share it. Like when I share it, I want to share it, pardon. I share it on WhatsApp or I share it on anyway when I share. You can tag me, tag me. You can find me at V-La-Nessa everywhere. So that if you share it on Facebook, tag me. Night. If you share it on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, just tag me. Yeah, tag me. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video and thank you for liking and comment down below. DMV. Comment down below, DMV. Bye.